ever seen an animal you can look through? It sounds like magic, but it's real. Today, we'll explore the world's most amazing transparent animals. These creatures have mastered the art of invisibility, blending into their surroundings by letting light pass right through them. Join me as we journey from rainforests to the deep sea to discover nature's most astonishing invisible wonders. High in the South American rainforest, we meet the glass frog. Its belly is so transparent, you can see its beating heart and organs, nature's window into life itself. This see-through skin is perfect camouflage, making the frog nearly invisible to predators below. By pressing against leaves, it disappears in plain sight, a living paradox, exposed yet hidden. The glass frog is a tiny marvel, showing us the elegance of evolution solutions. In Central America, the glass-winged butterfly flits through sunlight, its wings nearly invisible except for delicate dark borders. Tiny nanostructures on its wings let light pass through, making it vanish against the forest backdrop. For predators, it's like chasing a shadow. Here one moment, gone the next. This butterfly is a master of stealth, surviving by harnessing the physics of light. Dive into the ocean's sunlit layers and you'll find the moon jellyfish, a ghostly translucent drifter. With a body made mostly of water, it's nearly invisible, perfect for sneaking up on prey and hiding from predators. Its faint glowing pattern reveals its reproductive organs, visible through its clear bell. The moon jellyfish is a minimalist masterpiece, thriving in hypnotic, otherworldly grace. Descend into the deep sea and meet the glass squid, a phantom with a nearly transparent body. Its invisibility shields it from predators in the twilight zone, where any shadow can mean danger. Some species even glow to erase their own silhouette, blending perfectly with the faint light above. The glass squid is a marvel of deep-sea survival, a living void in the endless dark. In Antarctica's icy waters lives the crocodile icefish, a ghostly creature with clear blood. It has no red blood cells. Oxygen dissolves directly into its plasma thanks to the cold oxygen-rich water. Its huge heart pumps this watery blood, keeping it alive where few others could survive. The icefish is a stunning example of life's adaptability in extreme environments. In freshwater streams, the glass shrimp is almost invisible. Its body, legs, and antennae are all see-through. Only its eyes, and sometimes its digestive tract, give it away. This near-total transparency is its best defense, letting it vanish among plants and shimmering water. The glass shrimp proves that sometimes the best way to survive is simply not to be seen. Deep in the abyss lives the barrel-eye fish, with a transparent dome-shaped head. Inside this clear shield are its real eyes, giant green tubes that look straight up for prey. The head acts like a cockpit, protecting its sensitive eyes from stinging predators. The barrel-eye can rotate its eyes to track food, a true marvel of deep-sea adaptation. It's a living observatory, perfectly designed for life in the eternal dark. From rainforest to the deep sea, we've seen animals that wear invisibility as a cloak. Each one is a unique answer to survival, challenging our ideas of what animals can be. Their transparency is a complex marvel, letting them thrive where others would perish. These hidden wonders remind us to look closer. Nature's greatest marvels are often the hardest to see. Our journey through nature's invisible wonders ends here, but the lesson remains. The world is full of hidden marvels, from a frog's beating heart to a fish's crystal-clear blood. Every creature, no matter how strange, plays a part in life's intricate web. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, sometimes the most amazing things are those we can barely see. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary journey into the unseen.